Lisa from Fine & Country in Sutton Coldfield, and today I'm here at this beautiful Edwardian property in Boldmere. The house itself has 3 floors, 5 bedrooms, and it's really beautiful inside. It's managed to maintain all the original character and charm of an Edwardian house, but the current owners have extended it at the back to create a fabulous contemporary living kitchen. Please come inside and take a look. I hope you've enjoyed your tour of this lovely property. If you'd like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details to follow. Thank you.